doing that to match the pattern.
We're running late for dinner. We have 9 o'clock reservation, and it is now 9:05. So this is the elevator. Oh, okay. Let's see drip check now. Whoa.
Fit check. Red and black. We got this purse. I don't know where it came from. Then we got jean jacket, jeans, red top.
Black jeans with a regular button up, you know?
Okay.
And my Lotion Dep chain.
This is a little look of the hotel.
Okay, so this is Cinco. This is pretty cool. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, guys. All right, guys. So I got a ribeye with tomatoes and potatoes underneath. Got it with a side of rice. And I got a hot dog and a Shirley Temple. Ethan got a Shirley Temple. Mommy got fried rice. And we got some guac in the middle of the table. Bon appetit, everyone. Bon appetit. All right, guys. So I couldn't get the camera to work, but we had a chocolate cake that wasn't really great, and then we had churros, which were okay.
Mid.
Yeah.
And this.
But the food.
A1.
The food here is absolutely amazing.
Thumbs up.
I think what I say I bid was $3.95. $3.95. What I was sharing with people on Instagram is that when you come out here to Bahamar, everything's really expensive. So I would say on average, we spend about $250 to $300, $350 for dinner. We usually sleep in, so we don't have breakfast, but we have lunch. Usually lunch is around $200, $250. So you're gonna spend close to $500, $600 a day on food. That's what we've been spending. But yeah, well worth it.
It's on.
No, it's on. It just is it on? Thank you, love.
So this one is one copies for you.
Okay.
Customer card and sign this one for me.
Awesome.
And
Thank
don't
you.
forget your card. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. So yeah, so we're done now, and we're gonna walk around the hotel and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Guys, we just got done eating, and we're checking out the rest of the shop then. Oh, mommy, look across the street. They got some stuff over there. We might be able to kill it down there. And
I don't think we have any more earrings.
No earrings.
So I'm telling you, Joe, honey, I'm giving deals. My name is Sonic. How are you?
Sonic, nice to meet you, man.
I'm good. Show me what you like. Looking is free, buying is cheap. Take something back for your nosy neighbor. I sure made you laugh. Take something back for your nosy neighbor, honey. Come on, spend some of that money with me. Don't take it back to the hotel. Because you know Grand Hyatt is very expensive, right? So leave some of that money with me.
For sure. For
Oh,
sure.
I don't guess she got my talk. Girl, I love you. What's your name? What's your name?
Debbie.
Debbie, I love you, honey. I love you.
I love you too.
I said there all evening. Man, and she's saying it right now.
How much for these bags?
$6 for you. I sell them for $10. Give me $6 each.
Okay.
You breathe, you get charged. You sneeze, you get charged.
For real.
You turn, you get charged.
For real.
You raise your hand, you blink, you get charged.
You're not lying. You don't want to
Honey,
waste it.
guess what?
Bye.